Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Are you tired of cluttered closets and messy floors? What if I told you there's a game-changing solution? The HYSEYY Clothes Rack is here to revolutionize your laundry routine. This incredible garment rack is a total lifesaver with its quick assembly feature. You can have it set up in just 8 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. 8 minutes, no complicated instructions, just a smooth and effortless process. The HYSEYY Clothes Rack is extremely popular and well-reviewed. Thousands of customers have purchased and loved it, and for good reason. It's portable, easy to set up, and provides a king-size space for all your clothes. The smooth and easy mobility of this rolling clothes rack is amazing. Equipped with 4 high-quality swivel casters, 2 with brakes, it glides effortlessly from carpet to hard floor. The quiet roll makes relocation a breeze even at full capacity, all while protecting your floors from scratches. You can easily move it from your bedroom to your laundry room. The sound of the casters rolling is so smooth, it's almost silent. The feel of the sturdy frame and the texture of the metal rods give you a sense of durability and reliability. The HYSEYY Clothes Rack is perfect for anyone who wants to organize their clothes and save space. It's ideal for small apartments, dorm rooms, or even for those who just want to maximize their closet space. The fact that it's so easy to assemble and disassemble makes it perfect for those who like to rearrange their furniture frequently. With the HYSEYY Clothes Rack, you can finally achieve the organized and clutter-free space you've always wanted. And with the dedicated customer support team available to assist you with any questions or concerns, you can have peace of mind. So why settle for a cluttered and messy space when you can have a sleek and organized one? The HYSEYY Clothes Rack is the perfect solution for anyone looking to elevate their laundry routine. It's as always, links in the description. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.